volte che abbiamo misurato.
We're deploying our deep sea camera systems. The deep ocean is super difficult to study because of the conditions, the pressure. It's very, very challenging to see what's down there. We can deploy these cameras, and the idea is that they have bait that will attract scavengers. So these camera systems allow us a really unique opportunity to actually get footage of what's living in the deep sea.